Good morning, CMS. Today is Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody, today's menu for Thursday is open-faced roast beef fries, sliced roast beef and beef gravy on top of oven-baked fries, twisted garlic breadstick, not just a breadstick, but a twisted garlic breadstick, cucumber slices, rosy applesauce, and fresh fruit. Choice B is a stuffed crust pizza. Now for breakfast, Cinni-Minnie with pears and milk. Now we move on to Friday's menu. Friday's menu is chicken, Anaheim? Does that sound right? Anaheim?
No.
Is that Anaheim? Anaheim? You know what? It's a chicken burrito that's got Anaheim burrito with salsa and sour cream. I'm not getting any help. I'm looking for you guys for help. Okay, you guys are okay.
Anaheim?
Anaheim?
Like Anaheim?
Like Anaheim, California?
Yeah.
Oh, that's embarrassing. Is that really how you spell Anaheim?
That's the way they had it on the menu.
That's where they have it on the menu. And that's the way we're going to pronounce it. Yeah, chicken Anaheim burrito with salsa and sour cream, refried beans, carrot sticks, mixed fruit, or fresh fruit. Choice B, sausage pizza. We then move into the breakfast. Is a chocolate cherry bar with banana and milk. All right, wow. Anaheim, man, all right.
Shout out to Leonard for getting that.
Yeah, shout out to Leonard, woo, for getting it right. She's over here. She's gonna pop, she's over here. Yep,
I got it.
And she did, yep, all right. Girls basketball tryouts, 7th and 8th graders. So if you're a girl and you want to try out for basketball and you're in 7th and 8th grade, those are going to be taking place Friday after school at the rec center until 5 p.m. Please have your emergency medical form completed before this happens. All right, now we move on to fundraising. Tri-C Distributors, okay? The PTO is going to get a head start on fundraising for next year. Not this year, but next year. Many field trips were canceled due to COVID. Therefore, we would like to help with the cost of these trips for next year. We're going to get some of your holiday shopping done in one spot. Some great deals and gifts for friends and family. There are also some neat prizes offered for the top sellers. So this fundraiser is going to also take place. It begins October 22nd, which is coming up, and it's going to end November 11th. So please check the website link, which can be found on the morning announcement webpage, also on Mr. Madigan's blog for more information. Let's celebrate Halloween. Student Council encourages you to celebrate Halloween on Friday, October 30th. Costumes must be a literary/movie character, career-based, or a historical figure. Please note that no Halloween masks, nor gore, and/or clowns are permitted. Costumes must be school appropriate. So let's keep it that way. Now, we are moving on to Red Ribbon Week. Red Ribbon Week, Wednesday, October 28th, district-wide. We will wear red because it's going to be a Spirit Day. For a Red Ribbon Week, we are going to wear red for Red Ribbon Week, October 28th. Whew, that's like a tongue twister in and of itself. All right, bulletin board. We have October 26th to the 30th is Red Ribbon Week. Then we wear red, Spirit Day on the 28th. Then we're going to celebrate Halloween on the 30th. Then November kicks off, and that's going to end the first quarter. That's going to be November 6th. Then on the 9th, we have second quarter beginning. Then, of course, we got Turkey Day, 25th to the 27th. That's what's on the bulletin board. Now, we have got a quote of the day. We have a quote of the day. It says, you will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. All right, everybody, have a wonderful Thursday. Be safe out there, make good decisions, and be blessed.